Hello, Sir Noberto Paranga. I am Ars Dinario from BSBA HRTC who will tackle about the three labor unions. Trade Union Congress of the Philippines or TUCP. Alliance of Progressive Labor APL and the last one in sentro ng mga nagkakaisa at progresibong manggagawa o sentro. Established in 1975, TUCP is one of the largest labor federation in the Philippines. It aims to protect the rights and interests of workers across various sectors. APL is a coalition of progressive labor union in labor organization founded in 1996. It focuses on promoting the rights and welfare of workers, particularly those in marginalized sectors. Centro translated as a Center of United and Progressive Worker is a coalition of various labor organizations and worker association formed in 2011. It advocates from labor rights, social justice, and genuine democracy. Next, we will talk about the leadership, achievements, and challenges of these three labor unions. So first, we will talk about Trade Union Congress of the Philippines or TUCP. Leadership. As of my last update, the TUCP was led by its President Raymond Mendoza. Mendoza has been active in labor advocacy for many years and has led various initiatives to address labor issues in the country. Achievements. TUCP has been instrumental in negotiating for better wage benefit in working conditions for workers in different industries. It has also been actively involved in pushing for labor reforms and amendments to labor laws to better protect worker rights. Challenges. Like many labor organizations, TUCP faces challenges such as resistance from employers, illegal constraints, and sometimes eternal disagreements. Additionally, the challenge landscape of the labor market and the rise of precarious employment pose ongoing challenges for TUCP in its advocacy efforts. The last one is sentro ng mga nagkakaisa at progresibong manggagawa o sentro. Leadership. Sentro leadership consists of representative from its member organization. As of my last update, the specific leadership might have changed. Achievements. APL has been an organization worker in various sectors including worker constructural working and those in the informal economy. It has successfully campaigned for better working conditions, highly wage, and social protecting for marginalized workers. Challenges. APL faces challenges such as limited resources compared to larger federation as well as political and legal barriers to organizing workers, especially in sectors with strong opposition to unionization. Additionally, addressing the needs in formal worker and those in precious employment remains a significant challenge. The last one is sentro ng mga nagkakaisa at progresibong manggagawa o sentro. Leadership. Sentro leadership consists of representative from its member organization. As of my last update, the specific leadership might have changed. Achievements. Centro has been actively involved in campaign for workers' rights, including pushing for a higher wage, better working condition, and social protecting. It has also been vocal in advocating for labor reforms and policies that benefit workers. Challenges. Like other labor organizations, Centro faces challenges such as opposition for employers, legal constraints on union activities, and the need to address the concerns of workers in various sectors, including those in informal and precarious employment.